Good morning students. Today in this video we are going to see international place value chart up to 9 digits, which is on your page number 15. Most of the countries of the world use the place value chart, which is different from Indian place value chart. It uses millions, billions, trillions, etc. It is called the international place value chart. As you can see on the board, I have made the international place value chart. In this chart, you can see the periods, then places, then the place value. In the periods, there are the three groups you can see. First, this is the million groups, then thousand, and that is the ones group. In the million group, there are the three partitions. The thousand group is about the three partition and ones is about the three partition. Whenever we give the place value of to the given number, so we have to give that place value from the last digit. It means ones, tens, hundred, then it is thousand, 10,000, then hundredth thousand, million, 10 million, and the 100 million. In our Indian place value chart, we have seen it was the ones, tens, hundred, then thousand, and 10,000. After that, we have seen the lakh, 10 lakh, then crore and 10 crore. In this international place value chart, it is the different from the Indian. As you can see, I have written their place values also. The ones place value is this one, then tens, 10, hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000. Then the 100,000, million, 10 million, and the 100 million. You can see in the 100 million there are the 9 digits. Now we will see reading and writing large numbers in the international place value system. So let us see an example. As you can see on the board, I have written the one number from your textbook. So, before writing the name of that number, we have to put the commas in the given number. Okay. So, in the international system of numeration, it is very simple that how to put the commas. From the right, you have to consider the group of the three digits, like 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3, comma and 1, 2, 3. It will be as it is. Okay. So in Indian, how we were doing? The first group is about the 3 digits and the remaining are about the 2 digits. Here it is very simple that all the groups are about the 3 digits. Okay. Now we will give their places. So it is ones, then tens, then hundred, then thousand, then it is 10,000, and then 100,000, then million, then 10 million, and it is the 100 million. Okay. As I told you in the Indian, it is also very simple. See how to read. It is about the three groups. So it means this only this number. How will you read? It is 367. This three digits. How will you read? 509. And this 3. How will you read? 453. This is the number of which group? Of the million group. This is about the thousand, and this is the ones. So listen carefully now how to read the number. 453 million, 509,000 and 367. It is so simple. Whatever the groups, periods names are there, that names only you have to apply after the three digits. It means once again 453 million, 509,000, 367. Okay. In the international place value system is further extended beyond 100 millions after this with new place names and periods. The names are the billions and the trillions. Let's see one more example which is written on your board. that number we will write in Indian system also and in the international system also. So I told you, before writing the number in Indian or the international, you have to put the commas in that given number. So in the Indian system we will write that number as it is. I told you what is the group of the how to put the commas in the Indian system, that the first group is about the 3 digits, then next 1 2, then next 1 2, and last will be the as it is. Then put the place values there. It is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and it is crore. Okay, now this is from the crore group, this 2 from the lakhs group, this from the 1000 group, and it is from the ones group. So how to read? 6 crore 39 lakh, it is from lakh group, it is crore group, 1000. Okay, then it is the ones. So 6 crore 39 lakh 23,426. Okay, this is the Indian system. Now how to write in the international system? Again that number we will write as it is. Now what is the procedure to give the commas in the international system? It is about the 3 digits group. Okay, 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma, and 1 2 will be the as it is. Now give place values. It is 1, then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, and then the 10 million. These two are from the million group, these are from the 1000 group, and it is from the ones group. Now how to read? 2 digits only, it means 63,923,426. This is the way to read and write the number in the Indian system of numeration and the international system of numeration. Now how to write numerals in the number names and the number names in the numeral, we will see in the next video. Thank you students. Have a nice day.